Homestead know-how, life is good. All right, guys, we got the tractor back here at the compost pile. Never tried this before, so we're gonna give it a shot. I've backed the tractor up. I got the tiller on it, and we're gonna see what happens if I run the tiller through the compost pile. All right, here we go. Let's back it up a little bit further. Get on back a little. There we go, right about there. Now we're just gonna put the tractor in neutral. We're gonna idle it up. We're gonna let the tiller start. Alright, and then we're just going to drop it down. Looks pretty good. Alright. You can smell the urine. Let's see what we got. That's what she looks like. Now I'll tell you what, I'm gonna lower it down, and you can use this in reverse. We'll stick it reverse, idle it up, put it in low. I backed up on over top of it, and I've got it in low. Of course, I'm just gonna hold the clutch in real quick, idle it up. I'll raise it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go forward. Homestead know-how, life is good. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Hope y'all have a blessed day.